In which Indian state are women the most educated? A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Which animal is considered the most intelligent? A. Dog, B. Dolphin, C. Horse. Correct answer is B. Dolphin. Where is Charminar located? A. Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Hyderabad. Correct answer is C. Hyderabad. Which tree gives the most oxygen? A. Peepal, B. Neem, C. Banyan. Correct answer is A. Peepal. Which Indian state produces the most tea? A. West Bengal, B. Assam, C. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Assam. Which is the largest breed of chicken? A. Red Jungle Fowl, B. Brahma chicken, C. Rhode Island Red. Correct answer is B. Brahma chicken. Facebook company belongs to which country? A. England, B. America, C. Germany. Correct answer is B. America. Which was the first plant grown on the moon? A. Tea plant, B. Cotton plant, C. Potato plant. Correct answer is B. Cotton plant. On the bank of which river is the Taj Mahal located? A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Godavari. Correct answer is A. Yamuna. When did Sunday become a holiday? A. 1889, B. 1890, C. 1881. Correct answer is C. 1881. What was the old name of the State Bank of India? A. Imperial Bank of India, B. Bank of India, C. Union Bank. Correct answer is A. Imperial Bank of India. Which is the largest country in the world? A. Russia, B. China, C. America. Correct answer is A. Russia. The jungle fowl is the national bird of which country? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Nepal. Correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? A. Jaipur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. Where is the Qutub Minar located? A. Delhi, B. Agra, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is A. Delhi. Where is the largest zoo in India located? A. Mysore, B. Kolkata, C. Hyderabad. Correct answer is C. Hyderabad. In which city of India is Jantar Mantar located? A. Agra, B. Delhi, C. Jaipur. Correct answer is B. Delhi. Which was the first country to make a constitution? A. India, B. America, C. France. Correct answer is B. America. Samsung is a company from which country? A. China, B. Japan, C. South Korea. Correct answer is C. South Korea. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? A. Shah Jahan, B. Akbar, C. Babur. Correct answer is A. Shah Jahan. Which is the richest state in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Punjab, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. How many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7. Correct answer is C. 7.